Today's reading from God's Story for Me is Joash repairs the temple. 2 Kings chapter 12 verses 1 through 15. 2 Chronicles 24 verses 1 through 14. God's temple once was beautiful. People went there to pray to God. But after many years, no one went. No one prayed or sang to God in the temple. The temple was broken, dirty, and dusty. Then 7-year-old Joash became king. He loved God. Little King Joash grew up. He wanted God's people to love God. So King Joash planned to make the temple beautiful once more. Joash told the temple helpers to say, "Please help us make the temple beautiful. Bring money to the big box." People gave their money. Soon the big money box was full. Helpers sewed and hammered. They swept. They made bowls and candlesticks out of gold. Now the temple was beautiful again. We can love and obey God even when we are young.